The radii of the inner and the outer sphere of a condenser are 9 cm and 10 cm respectively. The dielectric constant of the medium between the two spheres is 6 and charge on the inner sphere is 18 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. Then the potential of inner sphere will be if the outer sphere is earthed. Suppose that we have a sphere like this, and inside another small sphere. So we can see that this radius is, let's say, A, this radius is let's say B, and we are given the values of A is equal to 9 centimeters, B is equal to 10 centimeters, correct? So here you can see this outer sphere is earthed, right? So that means potential will be 0 of this one, and because of this, let's say charge is inside inner one is Q in, which is provided us 18 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. So because of this, there will be some electric field in this region, right? Because of this electric field, there will be some potential difference. So this is the concept of spherical conductor, spherical capacitor, right? So now how do we calculate? So we need to take a small element like this and we need to calculate electric field value. So electric field at X will be KQ divided by, because of this KQ in, KQ divided by X square. We know that that is going to be minus dV upon dx. So from there minus dV is equal to KQ in divided by X square. If you integrate both the sides, then we are actually starting from A going towards B, and here we are starting from A going towards B. So this will be VA, this will be VB, correct? So this will become VA minus VB is equal to K, Q in will be outside, this will give minus 1 upon X, and limits are A to B. So we finally get that potential drop VAB is equal to KQ in into 1 upon minus 1 upon B plus 1 upon A. So that's how we get KQ inner surface into, this will be minus A plus B divided by AB, correct? So that's the actually value we need, that potential of, because value of VB is going to be 0, right? So we know that VA minus VB is coming out to be KQ in into B minus A divided by AB, and we know that VB is 0 because already earthed. So inner surface will have the potential of VA. So how do we find it? So just put the values which are given in the question. So VA will be equal to, so VA will be K. Now here K is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into K. This K is dielectric constant, right? So we know that the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 10 to the power minus 9, and K is provided in the question paper, which is 6. So this is the value of K now. So 9 into 10 to the power 9 divided by K into Q in, that is 18 into 10 to the power minus 9 into B minus A, which will be 10 minus 9 into 10 to the power minus 2, because in SI units, divided by A into B, which will be 9 into 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 2, correct? Now solve it. So this will be 3, 9 will be cancelled out, 10 to the power minus 9 and 10 to the power minus 9 will be cancelled out, 10 to the power minus 2 is cancelled out. So finally what do we get? We get 3 into 1 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 1 volts, right? So this will be nothing else 30 volts. So which option is the correct answer? So option number 2, 30 volts is the right answer, correct? So So 30 volt is the right answer.